wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best air suspension kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If you have access to a welder, the airmaxxx 2600 is a great economical option that can be fitted to most frames. This makes it particularly appealing for those who work on extensively modified hot rods or rock-crawling trucks. It comes with laser-cut steel mounts and a lifetime warranty. However, it might require fabrication. At number 9, people who live on dirt roads in rural communities or anywhere that the local government is slow to repair potholes should consider the Airlift 88275. It's well designed for limiting bouncing and jarring impacts, regardless of the quality of the road. It's adjustable from 5 to 100 psi and pairs well with wireless compressors, but the instructions are unhelpful. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the Vixen Air VXD 2600 QP can manage an impressive 600 psi, giving you plenty of support and cushioning as you travel down the road. They're capable of standing up to a ton of abuse as well, thanks to their thick rubber walls. These come in a pack of 4 and are a good budget option. However, they lack internal jounces. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for air suspension kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Airlift 57396 comes with everything you need to get the rear wheels of your truck ready to support seriously sized loads. The airbags in this system help to eliminate sagging and bottoming out issues, even over especially rough or bumpy terrain. It works well on vans and adds comfort to any ride, but it's tough to install on the driver's side. Moving up our list to number 6. The Firestone ride-rite 2430 works with multiple different pickups, vans, and sport utility vehicles made by GMC and Chevrolet. The air springs can even be installed in certain varieties of motorhome or large commercial trucks. It boasts a 1 million stroke lifespan and there's no need to drill or modify anything. However, the brackets clunk when the pressure is low. Halfway up our list at number 5. Anyone driving a Mercedes should think about putting the dedc Pair R350 in their car. You can hook them up with very little disassembly and they offer a great compromise between suspension stiffness and a comfortable ride. These can be installed in an hour and fit most R-Class models. They ensure your car stays level. At number 4, if you aren't ready to get rid of your coil springs entirely, the Airlift 60818 fit inside them to give your suspension extra support. They offer an impressive 1,000 pounds of leveling capacity, and the installation requires no modifications. These help eliminate sagging, and installation is quick and easy. They reduce trailer sway too. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Firestone ride-rite Air Helper is suitable for supporting loads weighing anywhere between 3 and 5,000 pounds, making it a good choice for use in a pickup truck whose bed regularly gets filled with lots of gear or building materials. It uses tapered-style air springs and is suitable for DIY installation. It works well in RVs too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for air suspension kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, hauling heavy materials in your truck's bed can take a toll on your stock coils and shocks and cause sagging. The Tuff Country 74407 is designed to increase the amount of weight your suspension can handle, and the pressure can be adjusted to suit your needs. It's got a 5,000 pound capacity and is available for most models. It's equipped with thick gauge steel brackets. And taking the top spot on our list, the bags in the Airlift 88204 are made from premium Goodyear rubber, ensuring they'll be able to put up with all kinds of abuse. They also include internal bounce jumpers so you can run them without any inflation and not sacrifice any comfort. These can correct poor headlight aim, and the instructions are detailed and useful. They include heavy-duty mounting brackets. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for air suspension kits, or simply click beneath this video.